Hello everyone. In this video I am going to discuss some more example of relation. The first one, that is the relation of congruency in between two triangles. So congruency in between two triangles. If I just write like this. So ARA, what will be ARA? That is A congruent to, if A is a triangle, if I take A as triangle, A is congruent to A, which is always true, so the relation is reflexive, right? Next one, if A or B is true, that means A is congruent to B, which also implies B or A is true, that B is congruent to A. So that time the relation is symmetric. Next one, if A or B is true, we just check, A or B is true and B or C is true, that means A is congruent to B triangle, B is congruent to C triangle. So can we say that A is congruent to C triangle, which means that A or C is also true, hence the relation is transitive, right? So as this all three are true, we can say the relation is equivalence relation. Is it fine? Next example that I am going to discuss, that is R is a relation given such that A comma B belongs to natural number and A divides B. A divides B. So for the first case, ARA, what will be the case? It will be ARA. It will be A divides A. We know that each number has its own number as factor. So this is true, hence that will be reflexive, right? Next one, if A or B is true, that means A divides B. That doesn't imply that B or A has to be true, because A divides B doesn't mean that B divides A, right? So that time the relation is not symmetric. Now if A or B is true, that is A divides B, and B or C is true, that is B divides C. So compiling these two, can we write that A divides C? And A divides C means A or C, which is true. So that means the relation is transitive. Is it fine? But we have to get all three conditions true, then only we can say the relation is equivalence relation. Please be very careful about it. Just two conditions true doesn't mean that the relation will be equivalence relation. Next one, I am going to give you the relation is A comma B, A minus B is a multiple of 5, where A comma B belongs to integer. Okay. And hence find all the elements related to 1. Now the next one is, so for first case, A minus A, that is 0, which is a multiple of 5. So can we say that this is reflexive? You have to write this is 0 multiple of 5. Statement is very important here. Next case, A minus B, if this is 5k, B minus A, that is minus 5k, or rather 5 into minus k. So the relation is symmetric. Is it fine? Now third case, if A minus B equals to 5k1 and B minus C equals to 5k2, so if I'll add them, then A minus C will be equals to 5 of k1 plus k2, which is also multiple of 5. So this will be transitive. As all three are true, we can say the relation is equivalence relation. Now if I need to find out the terms for 1, it will be A minus 1 equals to multiple of 5, so 5k1 rather, so A is equals to 5k1 plus 1. It belongs to integer, right? So as it belongs to integer, so if I take k1 equals to 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2 accordingly, then the value of a will be, if I take 0, it will be 1. If I take plus 1, then it will be 6. If I take minus 1, then it will be minus 4. For plus 2, it will be 11. For minus 2, it will be minus 9. Hence, it's go on. As the value of k1 is also infinite set, this will also belongs to infinite set. So the corresponding values of 1 will be 1, 6, 11, dot, dot, dot. It's going to continue, minus 4, minus 9. So, please be very careful about the sets and the relation given in the question. Just check in this question, if a comma b, the relation is given a comma b, a minus b is the multiple of 5. Now I am changing the question a bit. Just check what I am doing with the question. I am writing r equals to a comma b, a minus b is, a minus b is positive multiple of 5. Be very careful about the term. Now what is ARA? That is a minus a, 0. Neither positive nor negative. So the relation is non-reflexive. Now if A or B is true, that means A minus B equals to 5k1. What will be B minus A? B minus A will be minus 5k1. So if this is positive, this has to be negative. So the relation is not symmetric also. Now what is going to happen for a minus b and b minus c? If a minus b is equals to 5k1, then b minus c equals to 5k2. If I'll add them, then a minus c equals to 5 into k1 plus k2. Now if this is positive, this has to be positive. So the relation is transitive. Is it fine? Now over there, if so, this is case is not reflexive, not symmetric, so hence transitive. So now if I just change the language again a bit, so if my next language for relation is a minus b, such that a minus b is non-negative multiple of 5. Be very careful about this type of term. Non-negative means it starts from, this is not negative, it can be positive at the neutral value, negative. So in this case, just check the previous one, the case will be reflexive too. Is it fine? So this is all the case. Now next, one more example if I will discuss here. If the set of A is given as, 1, 2, 3 till 9, and the relation A cross A defined, the relation R on A cross A defined by A comma B R C comma D. When it's true, when A plus D equals to B plus C. Just read it like that. First element plus fourth element equals to second element plus third element. So we have to prove this is equivalence relation. So now for A comma B R A comma B, it is like A plus B equals to B plus A, which is always true. Hence the relation is reflexive. Right? Now for A comma B R C comma D, it is A plus D equals to B plus C, already given. What will going to happen for C comma D R A comma B? Just check. It is C plus B. It is C plus B equals to D plus A, which is same. So can we say the relation is symmetric? Right? Now what is going to happen for A comma B R C comma D, which already. Now C comma D comma R comma F, C comma D comma R E comma F, that will give you C plus F is equals to D plus C. Now the previous case was A plus D equals to B plus C. So if I'll add them, just check. So if I'll add them, this is D plus E. So CC will be cancelled out, DD will be cancelled out. So A plus F equals to B plus E. So can we say from there AB R E F? So can we say the relation is transitive? That's all from now on. Thank you.